We couldn't sign you into Xbox Live on PC. 1. Restart your PC and Xbox app. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Restart Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Reboot your PC before trying again. 2. Check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Restart your router modem if needed. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily. 3. Sign out and back into Xbox app. Open Xbox app on PC. Sign out from your Microsoft account. Sign back in carefully with the correct account. 4. Check Xbox Live server status. Verify Xbox Live services are online. Wait if servers are under maintenance. Retry login after some time. 5. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open settings, apps, installed apps. Repair Xbox app from advanced options. Also repair gaming services. 6. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type wsrreset.exe, and press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen automatically. 7. Remove old Xbox credentials. Open Credential Manager in Windows. Delete Xbox Live and Microsoft account credentials. Restart your PC and sign in again. 8. Sync date and time automatically. Open date and time settings. Enable set time automatically. Restart your computer afterward. 9. Allow Xbox services through firewall. Open Windows Defender firewall settings. Allow Xbox app and Forza Horizon 6. Enable both private and public network access. 10. Reinstall Xbox app and gaming services. Uninstall Xbox app and gaming services completely. Restart your PC fully. Install fresh versions from Microsoft Store.